Welcome! I'll show you how to import an Elementor full site in a few easy steps so you'll have a complete website ready to customize. Right now, the site is completely blank. No pages and no templates. Let's go ahead and import the full site package. First things first, we'll go ahead and extract the package so it's ready to import. Now, be sure to open the README file. It usually has everything you need to know before importing. Step 1. Install and activate the recommended theme. Here, we have used Hello Elementor. Step 2. Install and activate the required plugins. Here, we used Elementor with Pro activated. Step 3. Adjust the recommended settings to ensure everything works smoothly. Under the General tab, make sure to enable Disable Default Colors and Disable Default Fonts. And don't forget to save your changes. Next, go to the Advanced tab, turn on Unfiltered File Uploads, and save the changes. I'm skipping Nested Elements and Container as they are activated by default. Step 4. Navigate to Tools under Elementor, then choose the zip file from the package and import it. This will bring in the full site content and templates. The full site has been imported successfully. Now let's check out the pages. I'm visiting the site now to show you how everything looks after the import. Thanks for watching. Enjoy customizing your new Elementor site.